Hey, Nista family. I'm sorry I have not gotten to Motivation Monday yet, but I came home and I was holding off on getting me a new screen door. I talked about it on my budgeting videos, but I have to get it. I came home. Well, I knew when I left my screen door was on its way out, but when I came home, it's swinging back and forth. The wood frame is busted, so had to call somebody to hurry up and come over and give me an estimate. I told them that I want to get it done today. So they are currently out there taking off the screen door. And I have to, you got to pay up. You got to pay up. So thank God that I do keep emergency cash. And they are going to go to Home Depot, get me a new door, change and fix the wood framing, put the new door in and the casing down the bottom. So if it ain't one thing, it's another, I tell you. So I'm going to try to get to Motivation Monday. I've been catching up on my work emails. I got in my car. I saw a bubble in the side of my tire. So I had to make an appointment for that. I needed to make my cardiology appointment. Like I told you guys, I was not playing about that. I had to go to the bank and move some money around for bills. It's just been a busy, busy day. Just trying to work, personal, house. Took my mom to the doctor's this morning in the midst of doing everything. Went and picked up all my prescriptions from CVS. Yeah. So when people make excuses about handling business, I really don't be trying to hear it. Because I make it happen. So when I hear people making excuses and they only got 2 things to handle, I'm not that sensitive to it. You know what I mean? I'm going to just leave it at that. But I'm going to try to get the Motivation Monday. I promise. Hey, Nista family. So as you can see, I'm very exhausted. I want to go lay down. What in the world? It's white out. I want to go lay down, but I can't because the door is still being installed. Well, basically, they had to take the other storm door back because they didn't realize it opens on the wrong side. I don't know what happened with that, but he got the door here and he's like, this is the wrong side. So mistakes happen. He went back to exchange and now he's coming back and they're going to put it up. But I am very tired. I had a very long day. I probably should have, well, even if I had took another day off from work, I mean, I still would have had a lot to do. It doesn't matter. I worked from home today, but working from home is still a lot of work because it's meetings and there's emails you have to respond to. And then I needed to like pick up personal stuff, make up doctor's appointments and make phone calls and just tighten up ends and work on my budget and move money around. And then, you know, handle this situation as well. Plus, I'm sure there's other things I need to do, but I am capped for the night. I am capped. Like, there's nothing else that I can do tonight because I'm tired. If you can see my eyes, you can tell I'm tired. I am tired. So tomorrow, I do have my appointment at Toyota. My tires are still covered. Thank God. So I'll get a new tire put on tomorrow morning. And while I'm sitting there getting the tire put on, I'll also be in one of my meetings. This is an important meeting tomorrow. This is one we have every week. So I'm going to get to Toyota a little bit early so I can sign into my laptop. And the good thing about Toyota is they have like an area for people to do their work and stuff while they wait. So I like that about Toyota. I've been going to them for years and years and years. I love Toyota. If I was to get any other car, it would be a Mercedes. That's like the car I really, really want. But in this climate and in this budget with everything going on, I wouldn't do that. So in any case, I am going to stand fast and hold on to God's unchanging hand and ask him to give me strength so I can stay awake because I want to get in my bed. I'm tired. I'm very, very tired. Like I haven't had an opportunity today to do anything that I maybe wanted to do or would be fun. Like it's been a day of adulting and being responsible and being everything for everybody. Yep. But thank God that I have very mature children, because I didn't have to like do anything for my kids or anything. It was just, my old director at the hospital I used to work at. I called her like a while ago and I was like, I want to apologize for any stress I ever caused you. When, I was in my 20s, just getting into the field, and, you're young, dumb, you're just doing whatever you want to do. And she was like, she said, no problem. She said, I'm very proud of you. She said, I'm proud that you went to school and you did everything you're supposed to do and you got your head on straight and you're, working for an awesome organization. And she said, just remember, heavy is the head that wears the crown. She ain't never lie. She ain't never lie. Ready or not. Ready or not. Here I come. Can't hide. Gonna find you and then yo. I play my enemies like a game of chess where I rest. No stress.